In the last video you saw us ride our bikes onto the Pride of Hull ferry and strap them in ready to sail. In this video we are going to go upstairs and take a tour of the ferry itself and its facilities and what's available, before getting the bikes off the ferry and out of the port into Holland.
The Welper flyers we come in, didn't we?
Yeah.
So what's room number?
What was it? Cabin 8164.
8164. Right, this is 8129. Yep, this way. I'm absolutely boiling. Oh, here we go. This is. Can I try that again? You did put it in the right way, didn't you?
I don't know, there's not got an arrow on it. Oh, that's the key one, that's why.
Oh, you don't.
That's the meal one.
You want the big picture of a key on it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's whoa, bunk beds. I'm 12 again. So, we made it. We're on the ferry. Time to relax. Need to get the bike gear off. When we set off, it were raining. But as we went along the motorway, it got hotter. Anyway, we've got to our cabin, and look, we've got bunk beds. Look at these. So there's really not much else you can do in this room. As you can see, Jonathan's filling it on his own. At least he provided a ladder. Excellent.
Were you supposed to put stuff?
Well, that's it, you take your bag off and you're going to be tripping over it all trip. Anyway, I think we're going to spend more time out of the cabin than we're in it apart from sleeping. So here's our little toilets on the ferry. Everything you need. Shower with the magic Gojo stuff.
We've got soap as well.
Oh, we got soap, we're posh here. Tell you what, first world living here.
Kim will be level, they both do.
Look at that good looking fella there. With his little GoPro in his hand. He's got pinkies in it like a Eric Bristow. For younger viewers who are a darts player. Yeah. Who's having top? We're tossing for it.
No, it's not that kind of holiday. What's that key there?
Oh shit.
Is that yours?
The front door key. Don't be getting home and can't get in. Should we just dump our stuff and have a wander? Sounds like a plan. Right, which way? Well, we saw by that way, didn't we? Just have a sit and chill.
It's not, you know, it's even worse than just having boots on. We've got matching boots on.
Yeah. Yeah, same boots. It's usually with different t-shirts on, look like a rat, but...
Everybody else is dressed up for the evening looking all smart. We're walking around in big dirty boots and a pair of shorts with a t-shirt, because our decent clothes are in the bags on the back of the bike that is now locked away in the cargo hold where we don't have access to.
Red or black?
Green.
If you did want to lose some money, perfect place for it. Oh, look at the view. Reception. Reception. Duty free.
I'm not sure I'd have him working in my pub with that beer he's wasting. Does he not know how precious that stuff is?
Oh, ready for this. Just taking a picture of your kinky boots.
Matching boots. Thank you very much.
Oh, nearly tripped up.
That red car's turning exactly where we needed to go when we checked in.
So this is it. We've made it. We didn't miss the boat after all. Look at that sunset in the background there. Absolutely amazing. I don't know if it's coming across on film, but that's cool. We're leaving port now. We're leaving Hull. Just a few drinks, In a few hours, we're starting the trip from Rotterdam through Holland, and the next stop will be Arnhem for the famous bridge, John Frost Bridge. Hello, just looking at myself. Sorry, I'm just looking at myself. It's all a bit blue. Why is it so blue in here? Oh, yeah, might be something to do with them. Anyway, that's not why I'm turning the camera on. So let's talk money. We're obviously going across with P&O ferries from Hull to Rotterdam. And I know some of you will be thinking, how much does that cost? And that's a good question, because it's cost us roughly, if you said 240 quid each, for two of us to share a bunk with two motorbikes, two people. We've been speaking to people on here, they've been paying £150 for one person and one motorbike. So obviously the costs vary. I don't know why we've paid what we did. We got through a legit site and all the rest of it. So if you're going from Hull to Rotterdam, expect to pay somewhere between £150 and £250 each.
Morning. Going for breakfast.
Yeah, clock's changed now.
Oh, yeah.
I think for that reason.
Yeah, he's got his biker pants on.
Yeah.
Looking at the weather, it's a bit grey. Right, it's early on yet.
Morning.
Thank you. Does it mean this? These two? As much as you can eat breakfast, ready to start your day. You can even grab two massive bananas if you fancy it.
Get some bananas for that one.
After breakfast, we nipped outside on the deck to see what the weather was doing on our first day in Holland. It was not what we wanted. It looked grey and pretty miserable. Well, that's enough of that scenic stuff. Let's get downstairs and get on the bikes and go for a ride. Well, when we can get off, we are.
We're going to have to pull over anyway. I need to set the route, don't we?
Inside the ferry, the sat-nav cannot get a signal. It cannot reach any satellites. Looking down, it still thinks I'm in Hull.
I know. Might be alright once we get out. It is boiling. I don't know why people started their engines so soon. Some of them had the engine running for half an hour. Yeah, just... Yeah. Daylight. I feel like we're on a bike convoy. Hey! So there's only two of us. a big gang to start off with. Yeah, you can understand why BMWs sell a lot of bikes. Nearly every bike on there's a GS. Unreal, isn't it?
not like they're a cheap bike, everybody goes for it. It's mad. I think Hugh McGregor's a lot to answer for. Cross sea. Oh, that boat sailed, no pun intended. You should take your helmet off. Thank you. Cheers, mate. I'm done now. Hello, 2 lanes, both go both on all this side. Drive on the right. On the right, on the right, on the right. Do I have to stop here now and all? I don't know, there's no. So just going for it, are we?
And just like that, we are now riding on the roads in Holland. Cue the anthem. Well, part of it anyway. Well, that completes the full transformation from Hull to Rotterdam with the ferry. Now we are in Holland, so in the next video, the European trip really starts. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one.